Hey guys, we just wrapped up this beautiful Tesla Model 3 Performance in Midnight Silver Metallic. Now this received our full body Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film installation. Also coated it with our level 1 ceramic coating and did our Spectra PhotoSync window tint, 75 on the windshield, 45 on the front two sides, and 35 in the rear with the rear glass in one piece. I'm gonna do a quick walk around, show you how cool this car is. Also our level of fit and finish. All edges are wrapped around the sensors, hood, fender, mirrors, all wrapped. Custom. Doors also wrapped custom. Wrapped underneath the chrome trim here. Inside, the actual door handle inserts are wrapped. Rear hatch is done in one piece. Wrapped around the headlights. Tail lights. No exposed edges there. Rear bumper done, also custom, one piece. Only way to do these cars, in my opinion. Back glass, as you can see, also one piece here. No line in the middle. Looks very clean. These red calipers look pretty awesome too. 20-inch wheels with the Michelin Pilot Sports. And this car is all ready for pickup. Also our one-piece custom bumper here as well. You can see no seam there in the middle. Same with the side, no seam. How it should be done. Thanks for watching. Call or email us if you have any questions.